Five Nights at Freddy's. There's a new movie out, so I thought I would draw Freddy Fazbear. Haven't watched it. I know Five Nights at Freddy's is like a big popular thing, and it's like scary as hell. So I thought I'd draw this guy anyway. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, start with his eyes. It's typical teddy bear portrait, but creepy animatronic style. So he's got like this big black nose. Curve it up and over. It's kind of like a triangle. Like that, right? Bum, 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 bum. So, big mouth, right? So, like a big teddy bear round mouth thing. You can have little bumps in it. The line kind of going up the middle, and then we go around this way. I went a bit too far with that line, but I can erase it. Let's just get rid of it. Sorry. Okay, and then we got like 3 freckles. 1, 2, 3, and over this side 3 as well. Okay. His eyes come out from behind the nose, so you just do like a big circle, cartoon style teddy bear nose. Okay. And then he's got like this lazy sort of eyelid thing going on here. And then the white of his eye comes around underneath. Just there. And it's all colored black around then. Alright, so I'll just color these black. Okay, so then his iris and pupil. So just like coming down from this top eyelid, you've got a circle. If you want to use a compass or a coin or something that's the right size to trace around, you can do that, no problem. And then the pupil in the middle. Same thing over the other side. And then pupil. Like so. Right, and then he's got like these big square eyebrows. And they're like floating on top of his head. Okay, so his cheeks come out this side, kind of bumping around here. Then we have 2 like spikes for ears kind of sticking out here, coming out of a hole in his head. Right, so it's like a little hole on his head there. Another one here. And then big pointy ears. Well, not pointy, kind of pointy. Round teddy bear. They are a little bit pointy, I guess. We got an interior part. Do. We do the same here. inside brown section, just like an edge to them there. And he's got this little black top hat. Like so. This goes around. Like that. And then a square top hat section here. It just sort of bumps around. It's got an edge to it there. And then top of his head goes down that way. Bit of texture on him because he's kind of furry. Fuzzy. So bottom jaw. Okay, so it goes kind of bumpy around here. And then it just bumps around underneath, so it'll go kind of squarish around that way. And he might have another light line just on his chin there. And then the inside part comes around up to there. And then we have all those teeth inside. So the square white teeth. And some of them will go get a bit 3D. They're like boxes then. It's kind of just dark in between them. It's kind of all black in there. So I'll just color in between them now. Okay, so then he has a bow tie, right? So it's this big sort of bumpy kind of black kind of bow tie comes down the side here. It's got like a tied section just underneath his chin. And it goes that way and like up underneath his mouth. There. And then he's animatronic, so he's got like a body section, right? So, and then a shoulder, so like this way, and the shoulder, and all this stuff kind of clicks together. Going down that way. Like furry textures and stuff on his skin. Freddy Fazbear from FNAF. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.